Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making the impossibly easy chicken parm pie from the Betty Crocker Found Recipes cookbook. I'll be starting off with 1 cup of diced cooked chicken meat, a half of a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and for seasonings I have a half of a teaspoon of dry basil and a half of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Once those get stirred together, they get poured into a 9-inch pie plate that I've lightly greased with cooking spray, and then topped off with 1 cup of your favorite pasta sauce. In the same bowl that I mixed the chicken in, I'll be adding in 2/3 cup of Bisquick, 2 lightly beaten eggs, a half of a cup of small curd cottage cheese, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and then finally 3/4 cup of milk. Once those are stirred together, it gets poured carefully over the top of the chicken and pasta sauce. Make sure it gets spread evenly across the whole pie plate. This is now ready to go into a 400-degree oven where it's going to bake for 28 to 32 minutes or until a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. Now that it has this lovely golden brown color on top and a knife inserted in the center came out clean, I'll be topping it off with a half of a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and I'll be popping this back in the oven for an additional 2 to 3 minutes or until the cheese is melted. The impossibly easy chicken parm pie is out of the oven, and I've gone ahead and allowed it to cool for about 5 minutes here on the counter. I did garnish it off with a little bit more Parmesan cheese and some sliced green onions, and now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. And I've got to say, it smells absolutely amazing, and I cannot wait to try it. Overall, the pie is perfectly seasoned, and it definitely has all the flavors of a chicken parmesan. The only thing I do wish is that I had a little bit more of the chicken layer and a little bit less of the Bisquick layer, but that's just my personal preference. For a quick weeknight meal that was so easy to throw together, I think I had it in the oven in less than 10 minutes, honestly. So yeah, I would definitely make this again. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.